We are going to see our Europe cheapest car today, and I will show you how is it. The weather is so nice. Yay!
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, la, 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day.
How much is this one? Oh, 19,000 something.
They don't have the things.
It's written 19,000.
This is not the same. Things to carry things.
Oh, this is with the gear or what?
This is automatic.
Okay, not bad. But for the price, it's good actually. Don't feel that. Should I buy this or not? I don't know. But it is not bad. I'm going to check. The model what we want is not there. Okay, this one is like Nissan.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well,
French brand, I think Renault. It's an electric car. I think this is also Renault. Sport car, I guess. It's not written anything here. Not bad. 14,900. 14,900. It's a second hand. There is one for 15,900. Should buy one second hand car. Oh my god, the kilometer is so few. 10,300 kilometer already. 112,000. Oh my god. The outside is not bad. Oh, this one is also nice. I like this color. So is this automatic or I don't know how much price they haven't put. Oh my god. 6,009. 100,000 kilometer. Hey, what is this? It's cheap one, huh? This one. I like this one. And it's only 85,000 kilometer and costs 7,500. Because I like this model and it's very comfortable to drive. It's a small one. Small Mercedes A-Class. A-Class. Not bad. What do you think of it? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? It's a small one. For starting, it is good. I'm going to see a little bit second hand, but a little bit expensive car. $7,000, 45,900. $45,000. Oh, like that. Yeah. 84,000, 49,000, 55,900. Oh, like that. Okay, let me check this one. Ferrari. Okay, how much? 89,900. Okay, 70,300 kilometer, 2018. This one is 157,500 Swiss franc, 2021 model, 5,200 kilometer. Wow, this is almost new. I like the wheels and everything. And now there's another one. 65,800 for 2021 model, 4,200 kilometer drive. 59,500, 6,100 kilometer, 19,800 kilometer, 43,000. Okay, 34,500. 2021 more models, 11,200 kilometer on sports car. Yes. Okay. Okay. And there is a small Mini Cooper, which is how much? 26,000 kilometer drive. Wow, 18,500. 2011 model. Okay, it's a bit old. It's like that. 20,000, 85,600 kilometer. 2015 model is very old. 2008 model, 24,800. 58,800 kilometer done. Okay, there's another one. I love this color. I love it. 19,500, 2019 model, but kilometer is too much. Too much drive. MS Sport, baby. BMW 123,900 kilometer drive. It's already too much drive. I don't like this one. This is not my type. It's too small. And 21,500 in 2001 is very old model. Oh my. Okay, this is not that. It's a 2014 model, 69,800 kilometer done and 20,800. Okay.